Hello guys, welcome back to my how to channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix Telegram issue this channel cannot be displayed. In Telegram, you are seeing the message this channel cannot be displayed because it was used to spread pornographic content. If you want to fix the problem, follow along. Simply go to the Telegram app, go to settings, click on privacy and security. Once you have reached the privacy and security page, search for the disable sensitive content section. If you find it, simply turn off that feature. If you do not find that feature, then what you can do is go back and go to the chat section. In a search bar, search for Nicegram bot. Just type Nicegram bot. Now you'll see the Nicegram bot section. Simply click on it. You'll get to see the option such as I'm 18 plus years old and show sensitive content. Simply choose those options and now your problem will be solved. And that's it. Thank you guys for watching this video. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to my how to channel.